Hi guys, what's up and welcome to my review on List Profit Master. Now List Profit Master is the world's #1 software for the average marketer or local agencies to automatically find local businesses in your city who are building email lists and sell them on a new list building technology that will blow their minds. And finally, anyone can automate everything. And before I go through the List Profit Master, I'd like to talk to you about earnestly awesome bonuses. Apparently, you can get earnestly awesome bonuses when you click the link below and buy List Profit Master from me. Now, what are my bonuses? My bonuses are: bonus number 1, SEO and ranking tracking tactics. Get the insider tips on the tools you need to track your SEO ranking list like a pro. Bonus number 2, how to write compelling headlines. You can learn exactly how to write killer headlines that will capture your audience instantly. Bonus number 3, your content marketing guide. Make more money with less efforts using these killer content marketing tips. Bonus number 4, high profit blog secrets. Learn the secrets the pros use to build high profit blogs every time and make real money. You also have the vendor bonus, List Profit Masters, special bonuses. These bonuses you'll get when you click on this and go to the sales page and buy List Profit Master from me. And other than this, you will also get secret bonuses from List Profit Master. They are awesome bonuses which will be useful for your affiliate marketing. You can act now to grab these following bonuses from the vendor. Bonus number 1, full commercial license. You'll get bonus number 2, a $5,000 worth free software. Bonus number 3, a new $900 per day automated software. And bonus number 4, $500K VIP membership access. These are valuable and priceless. So you can pick up all these bonuses by clicking the link below. Now guys, please check this video which will give you more clarity for the product.
Do you want to build a list of hungry buyers with a new lead technology that's 10x more powerful than email? This new list building tech gets up to 300% more opens than email, drives up to 1000% more clicks than email, is 10x faster than email, doesn't require an autoresponder, and best of all, you can't be banned or booted off by anyone, ever. Oh, and you can also add your email leads to this new list technology too. Now, you're probably wondering, how does this work, and how you can start building a buyer list without email today. So here goes. Up until recently, my business was all about email. But I always felt like there was something missing, because email has some big problems. Tell me if this sounds familiar. As an email marketer, you need to worry about creating lead magnets, designing squeeze pages, spending thousands on autoresponders, the techie side of collecting leads, the hours it takes to write out emails, struggling to get opens and clicks, and worst of all, the constant fear that you might get banned by an autoresponder at any time and for any reason. So all your hard work explodes in seconds in a cloud of smoke. No wonder 95% of marketers know they should be list building, but less than 1% do it. Want to see how it's done? Well, that's where the List Profit Master Suite comes in, ready to change the game for 2022. Introducing List Profit Master by the Blessedman. If you're wondering, what exactly does List Profit Master actually do? Here's the simple 3-step formula behind my powerful new system. Step 1. First, find small businesses in your city who are building email lists using our local business researcher. Then we create our embed code using our cutting-edge tech for them or for our business. And we paste it onto their website or ours. Now, whenever someone visits the website, they get a push opt-in message. Anyone who clicks yes gets instantly subscribed to our list. And yes, you can start building a push list from any website or blog you own or for your clients. Or, use my Push Pages software to create an instant self-hosted website for the fastest setup. And that's it. You now have a website preloaded with your push code, ready to build leads on day 1. Step 2. Set up a web push autoresponder on your website or your client's site, welcoming your new customers with a 14-day follow-up sequence. Just like with any email autoresponder, you will want to welcome your new leads. And that's where the follow-up sequence comes in. With List Profit Master, you can queue up follow-up messages between 0 to 14 days. And get this, your messages are sent exactly 24 hours from when the customer subscribed. So they work with your subscribers' global time zone for the best opens and clicks. And, in case you wanted to get started right away, you can also use my pre-created templates. You'll get 25 affiliate promo templates for JVZoo, Warrior and ClickBank, plus 25 content templates for Lead Magnet, giveaways, GVING away software and content. All you need to click once to load the template. Then, edit the affiliate link, and maybe tweak a few things if you want. Then click again to queue your message. Step 3. Broadcast. Send out daily web push messages every time you send out a new blog post. Now you're sending autoresponder messages to your new leads or that of your clients. It's time to send broadcast messages. Broadcast instantly, at any time, to any lists. Then check the View Broadcasts page to view open and click rates. And yes, you can split test messages to take your messages to the next level. And remember, you can also use my Done For You template pack for both follow-up and broadcast messages. So, can you see how easy this is? It's the fastest way to collect buyer leads, using the power of push to make money for yourself or your clients. So you can build a list and send messages with a higher deliverability, higher opens, and more clicks than email. Can you see how new and different this technology is? Building a list has never been this exciting. Can you follow our 3 steps and click 4 times? Are you frustrated at the old ways of getting traffic? And are you ready to try something truly new? Then yes, it can work for you. As long as you have a browser to run the app on, you can dive into a near unlimited pool whenever you feel like a cash dip. You could be making money with dozens of cash grabs every month, just like I'm doing, and with no monthly fees, no costs, no setup time, no writing, and no worrying about traffic. It's the software I would have wanted when I started out. Are you starting to get what I'm saying? For the first time in your life, you're on the inside. So there you have it. Click the button. Don't you owe it to yourself to try this? It's 100% risk-free. Now just check out the List Profit Master features. Complete software suite to explode your profits. All cloud-based tools, which run on PC and Mac, tablets, even phones. Full commercial, agency rights, for every software use. Includes training, PDF quick start guide and video training. Customer support team, available to help and coach you, 24/7. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee, unconditional and 100% risk-free. And remember, I'm here to help you succeed. But you must act now. This is strictly on a first-come, first-served basis. So once the price discount ends, I'll have to start charging $147 per month for each license I sell. Sorry, but a deal this good, there are no second chances. Click on the order button to get started. You'll then be taken to the payment page. Fill out your information on this page and then confirm your payment. You'll get instant access to my software in under a minute. Nothing could be simpler. Now is your chance. You can't wait on this. The price will increase every 24 hours, so act now. Do it right away so you can make money in 2022. This opportunity will only last so long, and I can only help so many people. Okay, this video is ending now. So sign up now. I guess I'll see you on the inside. Join List Profit Master now. 100% risk-free. The Blessedman is waiting for you on the inside. You will soon join the thousands of people my cutting-edge list building technology has helped.
So guys, that was a video for whom this will be useful. This will be useful for website owners, marketers, beginners, newbies, affiliates, retirees, work-at-home moms, internet marketers, business owners, and so on. And there's just one front end that is only $27. There's no need to buy any other software. Just $27 is enough to get you the income. So you can click here, my friends, and go and pick it up. If you like the product, if you're making money, you can keep it with you, or you also have a 60-day money back guarantee. If you feel this product is not worth it, then you can always ask for a refund. So that's it. My review is over on the product. I checked out the members area. I found it to be good, though honestly speaking, I've not tried anything out of it. The time is too short to find out how good the product works. This is my honest review. I feel it is a good product. So if you feel it is a good product, you can click the link here, get into the sales page, have a look at the product, and then go in for it. I hope my review was good enough for you to make a decision. And by the way, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my review, share it with your friends, and if possible, like and comment. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.